An emperor's palace was located near a forest. Every night, a nightingale sang beautiful tunes. This made him happy. One day, the emperor asked for her to be brought to the palace. Why can't I keep the nightingale to myself? Then I can listen to her songs anytime I want to, he thought. So, when the nightingale finished singing, she was put in a cage. This made her very sad. Seeing her upset, a servant opened the cage and she flew away happily. The emperor missed her songs and fell ill. One night, the nightingale flew back to the palace and sang a beautiful song. Listening to the song, the emperor recovered and thanked the nightingale. Since then, the nightingale flew to the emperor's window every night and sang. The emperor then fell asleep peacefully. Moral of the story: freedom is precious. Hope you all enjoyed the story. For many more stories, like, share and